In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the O-KAM Pro app and set up your camera step by step. So if you're a beginner, just follow along. Now, the first thing you want to do is open the App Store or Google Play on your phone and search for O-KAM Pro. Now, once you find the app, just tap Install. And after it finishes downloading, open the app. Now, if you're a new user, tap on Register Now. Enter your email, select your region, agree to the user agreement, and then tap Get Verification Code. And once you receive it, just complete the registration. Now, if you already have an account, you can simply log in. Now, after logging in, what you want to do next is add your camera. So tap on the plus icon. Now here you'll see two options, either scan QR code or connect wirelessly. So first, try scanning the QR code on your O-KAM Pro camera. Now once you scan it, confirm that you hear the prompt tone from the camera and then tap Next. Now if you're unable to scan the QR code, just select Wireless Camera instead. Now make sure your camera light is flashing or you hear the message, "Please use app for Wi-Fi configuration." Now, if you don't see that, just reset the camera by holding the reset button for about 5 seconds. Now, after that, enter your Wi-Fi password and make sure you're using a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network, because this works best with the camera. Now, once you enter the Wi-Fi details, point the camera at the QR code shown on your phone from about 6 to 8 inches away. Now, wait until you hear a beep sound, which means the camera is connecting. Now, once the connection is successful, name your camera and tap Find Now. Now, after that, you should see the live camera feed on your screen. And that's it. Your O-KAM Pro camera is fully set up and ready to use. If this helped you out, please subscribe. It really helps me out as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.